she won Taguig's most hotly contested mayoral election. She broke records as the city's first female mayor and Taguig's youngest ever to date. And in her first year in office, despite all odds, harassments, and sabotage, she was focused and worked very hard to plant the seeds of hope, trust, and goodwill for the people of Taguig. Today, Mayor Lani Cayetano brings hope to a Taguig that had forgotten what it was like to have a city government that kept its promises. Free medical missions, free wheelchairs, and free medicines delivered at the doorsteps of those who need them the most have improved the quality of healthcare, especially for Taguig's poorest. Instrumental to these services is the breakthrough Taguig City Integrated Survey System, or TCISS, a citywide census that gives the city government a clearer picture of the citywide situation. The TCISS gives Mayor Lani a thorough understanding of the healthcare needs of each barangay and the proper levels of medication required, cutting down on waste and corruption in the process. Wala nang tansyahan. Dati, nagkukulang sa ibang gamot tapos sobra naman sa iba. Yung sobra, nag-e-expire, kaya sayang. Wala na ang ganoon ngayon. A year into Mayor Lani's term, Taguig is a better place for business. Reforms were introduced to promote transparency and efficiency and at the same time fight red tape and corruption. Yung dating 1-month wait, kadalasan isang araw na lang. May free movie at massage pa. The speedier process is due to the new Taguig transaction tracking system. Every transaction is barcoded with a guarantee that it will be completed within a certain time frame. It keeps the process transparent, it flags suspicious delays, and nobody is exempt, not even the mayor. Si mayor pa mismo ang nagsabi, kung may good intentions ka, okay lang na obserbahan ka 24/7. Totoo nga, bukas siya to discussion, bukas siya to change. With all the changes, big business is starting to take notice. Gumanda ang relationship ng mga businessmen with City Hall. She promised na tapos na ang irregularities ng dating administrasyon. With corruption eliminated, public services in Taguig have gotten better and better. Take garbage collection. Mayor Lani mandated that the bidding for the service should be public and open, unlike in the past. That single move gave the city savings of more than 8 million pesos a month. At ang mga estudyante ng Taguig ang nakinabang ng husto. Ang savings sa garbage collection binuhos sa budget ng edukasyon. Ang dating kakapiranggot na 5 million pesos for scholarships noong nakaraang administrasyon, ngayon ay 200 million na. Dumoble din ang budget ng Taguig City University, 50 million pesos noong 2010, 125 million ngayong taon. Panalo talaga. Not just ordinary citizens are feeling the winds of change in Taguig. Sa people's budget ni Mayor Lani, tumaas ang social services allocation to over 900 million pesos. Ang laking dagdag pera for scholarships, medical missions, and other services to help the average Taguigueño. New scholarships are now being processed for over 13,000 Taguig students. Di pa kasama dito ang free education ng 10,000 TCU students. In Mayor Lani's Taguig, every student deserves a chance to graduate and have a better life. Dala ni Mayor Lani kay daming new scholarships, from grade school to college. If you're deserving, covered ka. Estudyante ng 2 science high school sa Taguig, may quarterly allowance pa. Even teachers and non-teaching staff get plenty of incentives. May bonuses din silang natanggap noong Teacher's Day at Christmas. Sa people's budget na itinulak ni Mayor Lani, maraming nakikinabang, estudyante, mga guro, pati mga magulang. Ang pangarap ni Mayor, unti-unti nang natutupad. Free public school education from daycare to college. Because they hold the key to the future of the nation, school students are showered with so many privileges in Taguig. Alagang-alaga ni Mayor Lani ang mga estudyante ng Taguig. Libre tuition. Bawat estudyante may 3 pirasong ready-to-wear school uniforms, May school bags, school supplies, at notebooks for every subject. Not just one or two. Mayor Lani established 7 types of scholarships for Taguig students. In Mayor Lani's Taguig, every student is special. Investing in their education is investing in Taguig's strong foundation. Skills training programs have transformed Taguig into the hardest working city in Metro Manila. At 89%, Taguig has the highest employment rate in the National Capital Region. The city provides scholarships for priority courses and skills training to deserving Taguigueños. Nais ni Mayor maging competitive ang workers ng Taguig. So hindi lang during college and training, lifelong ito. And the city continues to work hard to keep the opportunities flowing. Seed distribution keeps Taguig's rice farmers busy, providing rice for the city's feeding programs. And the Fish Sanctuary and Bantay Lawa programs protect and promote Taguig's fishermen's livelihoods. If you're willing to work hard and contribute to the city won't let you down. Hindi ka pababayaan. Pangako yan ni Mayor Lani. In a year's time, the peace and order situation has improved thanks to the newly installed street lighting and greater police visibility. Mapanganib dating lumabas sa gabi. Marami kasing mga masasamang loob nagagala-gala sa daan. Ibang-iba na ngayon. Mayor Lani set aside the biggest budget ever for new patrol cars. More streetlights were put up. New emergency hotlines were activated. Today, Taguigueños enjoy something precious that money can't buy. Peace of mind. Mas madalas nang nagpapatrol at madalas na ring nakikita ang kapulisan ng mga taong bayan. Dati, walang tiwala ang mga taga-Taguig sa pulis. Noon yun. Maganda na ang relationship ngayon. In the space of just 1 year, the new administration has brought a whole term's worth of positive change. When she took office, Mayor Lani promised to make Taguig the best place to live and the best place to do business. 1 year on, Mayor Lani has delivered on her promise. Today, she offers renewed hope for the city's future. Hope for businesses, big and small. Hope for a brighter future for families. And hope for a better life for all Taguigueños. Indeed, Mayor Lani's first year has been that of planting the seeds of hope, faith, and trust. What she has planted, let us all help nourish. And together, let us someday reap the fruits of progress.